Hello and welcome to Gopal classes. Today we are going to start with class 11 complex number exercise number 1.1 simplify the following. So the first question is given minus root 16 plus 3 root minus 25 plus root minus 36 minus root minus 625. So we will separate the root. We can factorize the following. The minus 16, we have to write this way, 16 into minus 1 plus same way 3 root 25 into minus 1 plus root 36 into minus 1 minus root 625 into minus 1. Now we separate the root. The root 16 into root minus 1 plus 3 root 25 into root minus 1 plus root 36 into root minus 1 minus 625 into root minus 1. What is the value of minus 1? The value of minus 1 is I. The root of value of minus 1 is I. So square root of 16 is 4. Minus 1 is 4 iota I plus 3. The square root of 25 is 5. Minus 1 is I. The square root of 36 is 6. Square root of minus 1 is iota minus the square root of 625 is 25 into iota. Now 4i plus 3 5s are 15i plus 6i minus 25 iota. So 4 iota plus 15 iota plus 6 iota is 25 iota minus 25 iota. So our answer is 0. Same way you have to simplify the second question. 4 root minus 4 minus 5 root minus 9 minus 3 square root of root 16. Same way first we write 4. We can separate the root 4 into root minus 1 minus 5 square root of 9 into root minus 1 minus 3 square root of 16 into root minus 1. Same way 4 into the square root of 4 is 2. Square root of minus 1 is iota minus 5. The square root of 9 is 3. Square root of I is iota minus 3. The square root of 16 is 4 and iota. So 4 2s are 8 iota minus 5 3s are 15 iota minus 12 iota. So 8, the sign is changed, the plus sign is there. So 8 plus 15 is 23 iota minus 12 iota. So our answer is 11 iota. So this is our answer. We have to simplify this question this way. Now see the question number 2. The conjugate of the following complex number. When we have to conjugate, we have to change the sign of iota. So 3 plus iota. So our answer is 3 minus iota. 3 minus iota. So our answer is 3 plus iota minus square root of 5 minus square root of 7i. So तो iota sign will change. So minus 5, minus sign is there, so we put the plus sign plus root 7 iota. See, in this question minus into root minus 5. First we have to separate the root. Minus 5 into minus 1. So minus root 5 iota. So our answer is root 5 iota. So minus sign is there. We change the sign of plus. 5 iota. So minus 5 iota. 5 minus iota. So 5 plus iota. Root 2 minus root 3 iota. Cos theta minus I sin theta. Same way you have to conjugate the following complex number. Now see the question number 3. In this case we have to find the value of a plus b. So we have to compare the value. We have to compare the complex number first. We have to compare a plus 2b with 4 and 2ai is compared with 6i. So now from equality of complex number, so a plus 2b is equal to 4 and 2a equal to 6. So we first find the a. 2a is equal to 6. So a equal to 6 upon 2. So our a is 3. Now we put the value of a in this equation. So a is 3 plus 2b is equal to 4. So 2b is equal to 4 minus 3. So our b is 1 upon 2. So our a is 3 and b is 1 upon 2. This is the answer of first question. Now see the second question. In this question we have to same way comparing with complex number to complex number and imagine number to imagine number. So a minus b is comparing with a and a plus bi is comparing with 5i. So same way from equality of complex number. So same way a minus b is equal to a and a plus b is equal to 5. So first a minus a is equal to b. So therefore our b is equal to 0. Put the value of b in this equation. So a plus 0 is equal to 5. Therefore our a is 5 minus 0. So our a is 5. So in second question our answer is a is 5 and b is equal to 0. So this is our answer in answer of second question. Now see the question number 3. A plus b. A plus b 2 plus I is same way we have to comparing this from equality of complex number. In this case we have to first multiply with this number. So 2 in bracket a plus b plus I in bracket a plus b is equal to b plus 1 plus 10 plus 2ai. So 2a plus 2b plus now we have to 2a plus 2b is comparing with b plus 1, and a plus b is comparing with 10 plus 2a. So 2a plus 2b is equal to b plus 1. So 2a plus 2b minus b is equal to 1. So 2a plus b equal to 1. This is our equation number 1. Now a minus 2a plus b equal to 10. So minus a plus b is equal to 10. This is our equation number 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2. So 2a plus 2b equal to 1. Minus a plus b is equal to 10. Now change the sign. So 3a equal to minus 9. Therefore our a is minus 9 upon 3. A is minus 3. Now putting value of a in equation 1. 2 into minus 3 plus b equal to 1. Minus 6 plus b equal to 1. Therefore our b is 1 plus 6. Our b is 7. So our answer is a is equal to minus 3 and b equal to 7. So this is the answer of question number 3. Now we have to see the question number 4. In this case, the complex number is given. Complex number are given in a plus bi form, ib form. So imaginary number is not given. So we put the imaginary number as 0. Same way, now from equality of complex number. So 0 and 3a minus b. So 3a minus b equal to 0 and ab is equal to 12. So our b equal to 12 upon a. So this is our equation 1. Now put the value of a in this equation. So put the value of b in equation 1 in equation number 2. So 12 upon a equal to 0. So 3a square minus 12 equal to 0. 3a square is equal to 12. A square is equal to 12 upon 3. Therefore a square is equal to 4. Therefore our a is 2 plus or minus 2. Same way we have to find the value of b by putting value in equation number 2. Equation number 1. This is our equation 2 and equation 1. So b equal to 12 upon plus or minus 2. So our answer is b equal to plus or minus 6. In this case we got the two answer. A equal to plus or minus 2 and b equal to plus minus 6. See the last question, question number 5. 1 upon a plus ib equal to 3 minus 2i. We have to replace the value first. So 1 upon 3 minus 2i equal to a plus ib. We have to multiply with conjugate term. So 1 upon 3 minus 2i into the conjugate of following is 3 plus 2i. So this is our a minus b and a plus b. So we have to write a minus b and a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So first we write in a square minus b square form. So 3 square minus 2i square. 1 is multiplied with this one, same, 3 plus 2i, okay, is equal to a plus ib. So 3 plus 2i upon 9 minus 2 square is 4, I square is minus 1 is equal to a plus ib. So 3 plus 2i upon 9 minus plus 9 plus 4 is equal to a plus ib. So 3 plus 2i upon 13 is equal to a plus ib. We separate the value of each. So 3 upon 13 plus 2i upon 13 is equal to a plus ib. So by comparing this, a is 3 upon 13 and b is equal to 2 upon 13. So this is our answer. A is 3 upon 13 and b is 2 upon 30. Thanks for watching.